Your boy, Pixel.
No. Let's forget about that mistake. Hey guys, it's me, Girly Pastel.
Why you do that? You baby. So today, guys, we're gonna be doing a mukbang, okay? A mukbang.
Hey guys, wanna see something cool? I can make food up here. Wow! Dude, perfect!
Okay, she's eating the and
that's racist.
I'm eating the cat and dog. Stupid.
Anyway.
Eat my food.
Oh wait, Brian, where's the other bowl? We had 3 for our visible friend. He's being very left out. Why?
I don't know. We bought 3 ramen noodles. I don't know who ate one.
You ate the first one.
You baby.
What about Billy Bob Rock?
So first we're gonna do the ASMR.
Oh, hell no, I'm done with this.
I'm not gonna eat it, give it to me.
Camera goes black.
In this household, we don't waste food.
Okay, so luckily for you, I won't destroy your ears with this annoying sound from my brat life of a mistake of a brother. Make sure you cut that. I want you to look a good person, okay? Wait, the camera's still on? Okay.
The camera is dead.
That's funny.
Eat your food.
We have to restart.
Eat your food.
Stop eating your food. We have room. Oh, now you're doing this because you're hungry. The ramen noodle snake. Something's wrong with them. I don't know if we're related or not. You know what? Okay, get out, you mistake.
No! Why would you do that?
That was perfect!
You wasted the hot water on me.
That should teach you a lesson, kids. Don't eat ramen noodles.
Give me your food.
What the? No.
Give me the food.
I'm eating it.
Give me the food.
In 50 years. Like and subscribe to see if I eat it.
Stupid. What's wrong with you?
A lot of things. It's a lot.
I need to get the thumbnail from. Get your food. Oh. You're not even eating. What's wrong with you? Come on, yeah.
Okay. Why have we been kidnapped to do this?
Eat your food. Yeah,
I'm the cat that was. I'm the ghost of the cat that was used to cook this.
I spent my hard-earned SoundCloud money. Give me the food.
You mean our mom's money? I'm a premium ramen noodle chef. I know exactly what good ramen tastes like. You do realize we can see you the whole time.
Eat your food.
I am.
Eat the food.
This is like cooked proper. Where's the lamb sauce? I can taste the lipstick.
I'm gonna eat it right here because this thing is hot. Not like my mixtape.
No. Don't make me do it. Anyway, you guys.
My stomach hurt.
Get back all over for me. Okay. See, let's see who can hold the ramen noodle bowl for the longest. Mine that's been sitting in the refrigerator is that just came out.
You're eating the bowl. Eat that Dollar Tree bowl.
It's contrite. Did I just say contrite?
Come on, eat your food before I eat.
We're supposed to be doing the fake stories.
We ain't doing no fake stories.
Alright, you guys, welcome back to Fake Story 4. I know you can barely see me, but I'm here. I'm the ant. Okay, let me eat.
Give me your food. eat like that.
I'm up here talking. Hey guys, pay attention on me. So as you can tell, there's no such thing as thieves. They never. Just make sure you pay attention to me. And don't mind the assassins coming to steal your most valuable things. Like you, little Timmy. Watch out for that PC.
My food. I ate the food.
You haven't tasted it now. We're supposed to be doing fake stories. What has this video turned into? I'm vegan! Drop.
This food tastes like, this ramen noodle tastes like depression.
It is. Look at this. Show that to the...
Hold on. Hold your bowl. Hold your bowl.
No.
I don't want you to waste it.
But look.
Hold up. Look at the water inside of it.
50% depression.
Sad.
Hey you guys. So, as you may know, this video went very south. Make sure you plug your grandpa's life support as well while you're back there.
Out.
Anyway, this is all that needs to be in frame. No. Anyway. Alright, you guys. That's all for the creepy, scary stories about how Brian came to us. Alright guys, that's all about the creepy, scary stories about how my brother was born.
Jenny, come on, let's do the outro. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Move out the way. Move. It's my channel.
What's the move?
Move.
What's the move?
Move your burnt black self away.
I will be calling Trump.
Okay.
Dang it, you exposed me for only wearing shorts. I thought this was a news thing.
Okay, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like,